All right, so let us start our session here today. So guys, before starting our sessions, as always, let us try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concept which we had covered in our yesterday's class. So guys, as a matter of fact, 2 days before, like day before yesterday, yes, day before yesterday, we have started discussing about Java arrays. So we have seen what is actually an array and how we are supposed to declare an array, how we are supposed to instantiate an array, how we are supposed to pass elements into the array and retrieve the elements from the array. Index position of an array starts with 0 and length of an array starts with 1. What are the drawbacks which are present in array? After that, what are the key points which we need? System.out.println method 1 called. Okay, now please tell me what is the return type of my method 1? What is the return type of my method 1? Return type void. Very good, very good. Now int let me go with like this. Can I go like this? Can I go like this? Okay, I'll do one thing. RETURN return ERR. Can I go like this? Guys, now what is the return type of my method? What is the return type of my method? Don't say int. If you are saying int, that is wrong. If you are saying int, that is wrong. The return type of my method is integer array. What is the parameter for my method? The parameter for my method is also an integer array, right? Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Can you please call this method? Call this method 1. Please call this method 1. And whatever this method 1 is returning, what is method 1 returning? Method 1 is returning an array. What I want you to do is print that array. Print it. Can you do that? No, Naveen, that is wrong. No, give me the code. Give me the code. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll be writing main method like this. I'll be writing main method like this. Okay. Now call my method 1. Now Alpesh wrong. Upendra wrong. Upender wrong. Call my method 1. I'm waiting. No, Somnath wrong. Pooja not exactly correct. No, wrong. Give me the complete code. Give me the complete code. Anand, no. Shrikant, no. Mukesh, no, wrong. Can you give a size at the time of array declaration? Mukesh, no, wrong. Guys, you're missing the concept. No, guys, no. I told you to call the method. I told you to call the method. Okay, Rabia, that is good. Rabia, nice. What about others, guys? Okay, guys, come on, yeah. For example, yeah, Rajshekar, that is good. That is good. Guys, for example, if we want to, for example, let us think like that. If this is an integer parameter. Okay, now please observe here. New class A. Let me try to have a reference equal to AOBJ belongs to class A like that. Okay. Now, if I want to call that method aobj dot method one, aobj dot method one, now I'll be getting an error if I'm writing like that. Why? Because method one is a parameterized method. I need to pass the parameter. Am I right or wrong? Which parameter I need to pass? I need to pass an integer array as a parameter. So can I take like this int input input some array 10 comma 20 comma 30 like this, and I'll be passing this input as a parameter. Can I pass like this? Can I pass like this? Yes, of course I can do that. Of course I can do that. Now, if I want to retrieve the data from this method one, what method one is returning? Method one. What method one is returning? Method one is returning an integer array. Integer array. Now, can you please retrieve the data from my array by using for each loop? For each loop, int some x and result. After that, system.out.println x like that. Right click, run as Java application. Did you got it? Guys, did you understand the code? Did you understand the code? Please tell me. Yes, yes, that is good. That is good. Simply, what I'm doing here, I'm taking an input array, just an array, and I'm passing that array as a parameter for my method one. Why? Because method one is a parameterized method which is accepting an integer array. I'm passing the same method as a parameter. That's it. And whatever this method one is returning, method one is returning an integer array, and I'm trying to store in an array, and I'm trying to retrieve the data from my array. That's it. Do me a favor, please have this program. Please have this program for me. Krishna, you can check that. Please check that. Check it. If you check, you will be getting it right. I'll be getting a lot of answers, na Krishna. Check it, Umesh. Please check it. Check. Please check and tell me. Yeah, that is what. If you check, you will be getting it, buddy. Umesh, is you correct? Did you write correct? Did you check? You're correct? Exactly. Got it? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Check it. If you check, you will be understanding it, buddy. Yes, please inform if it is completed. Please inform if it is completed. One more minute. One more minute. Right. Okay, guys. I hope it's complete for everyone. Now, first question. First question. Is it done? Pranita, not done? Please hurry up. Hurry up, Amma. Hurry up, hurry up. Pranita, tell me, is it done? Pranita, Parvesh. Right. Okay. Now, guys, this is the question. This is the question. This is the question. First, write the question. Understand the question. First, write the question, please. Write the question. Write the question. Now, guys, when you're coming to logical programming, you need to understand the question correctly. If you are not understanding the question, you will not be able to write the solution for that. Please observe the question correctly. Given an integer array of length 3, means array length will be 3. 3 in the sense how many elements we can add? How many elements we can add? Snehal, 3 means 3 elements here. Length is 3, guys. Length always starts with 1. Guys, how many times? How many times? Always length will starts with 1. Index position starts with 0. Okay. Now, so there are 3 elements. If there is 2 in the array, immediately followed by 3, change the element 3 to 0 and return the changed array. Did you understand the question? Did you understand the question? Guys, you need to respond in the chat. You need to respond in the chat. Okay. I'll do one thing, guys. I'll do one thing. Let me go with the method. You need to write exactly the same method. Okay. Don't change the method signature. Don't change the method signature. Means this method 1 should return integer array only. Right. Now, let me try to take an array. Int arr equal to length 3 means how many elements I can pass? Only 3 elements. Okay, let me try to pass 4, 2, 9 like that. So there are only 3 elements. Very good. Why I am getting an error here? Why I am getting an error at method 1? Why? Because method 1 return type is integer array. So we need to return. Okay, let us try to return 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 err, return err like that. Okay, now let me, guys, please observe here. Please observe here. I'm trying to new class A dot method one. I'm trying to call my method one. Okay. Now this method is returning an, okay, let me do one thing. I want to make it a little bit easy. Like I don't want to make it any confused. So let me make it like class A. Now here I'm trying to call aobj dot method one. And guys, method one is returning an integer array. So result int result equal to like this. Can I write like this? Can I write like this? And here, for example, for each loop, I'm trying to write for each loop. And here I'm going with int x and a result. Now, if I'm trying to print system.out.print ax, system.out.print x. Now, what is my output here? Just let me try to go with plus space like this. What is my output here? I'll be getting my output as 4 to 9. Am I right? Same output, same output. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, please concentrate. Is 2 present in my array? Is 2 present? Yes. After 2, what is the element present there? After 2, what is the element? 9. So, okay, no need to change anything. Just return the same array like this. Same array. For example, if 3 is present, after 2, 3 is present, then you need to return like this. After that, you need to return like this. Means you are supposed to change 3 as 0 and return. Are you understanding me? Guys, for example, let us think that 3, 2, 2. Now what is my expected output here? What is my expected output here? What is my expected output here? Guys, you need to change 3 as 0 only if it comes after 2. Only if it comes after 2. So here 2 is there. Okay. After 2, what you are having? Again 2. So don't need to change anything. 3, 2, 2. Same. Same. For example, if we are having 3 like this, now tell me what we need to do. Tell me. 3, 2, 0. For example, if you are having 2, 3, 3. Now tell me what you need to do. What do you need to change? 2, 0, 3. Why? Because you are supposed to change only this as 0. That's it. Not this element. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? Right. Now give me the logic. Give me the logic. How you will do that? Please give me the logic. Go ahead. You need to write logic here. Write the logic. I want the entire program, not like 1 line or 2 lines. Parvesh. And by the way, that is wrong. That is good, Krishna. That is good. Go ahead. Go ahead. Give me the outputs. Give me the outputs, guys. But Krishna, you need to return, right? You do not return it. Can you please give me the correct and entire code for me, please? Yeah. Returning the data is also important, buddy. Sai, please check your connection. Only you are having a trouble. Okay, Suma. Suma, you need to change it as 0. Suma, not 2. Mukesh, yeah, that is good. That is good. Mukesh, that is good. Come on, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. Go on. Go on. Go on. I understand, Nikhil, but Gaurav, why you are checking the length? Gaurav, no need to check the length. Why you are checking the length? Acha, okay. Okay. Alpesh, no. Alpesh, no, 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 no. Anand, okay, guys. Okay. Okay. Alpesh, I told you to change it as 0. What are you doing, buddy? That is a logic which you need to write. All right. All right, guys. All right. All right. I'm trying to show the output which I got from Mukesh. Which I got from Mukesh. Guys, this is the logic which is written by Mukesh. This is the logic which is written by Mukesh. Let me remove this. Now, first things first, let us try to execute the code. Let us try to execute the code. Let me check. Okay, right click, run as Java application. Oh, I got an exception. Yes. Okay, let me remove this. Sorry. Okay, now execute. Right click, run as Java application. 203. That is what we are expecting. Am I right? For example, just let me try to change some different outputs, guys. Okay. Let me go with 3, 2, 3. Now, what is the output I'm expecting? 3, 2, 0. Let me check. 3, 2, 0. That is great. That is great. For example, if we are giving 2, now what is the output we are expecting? What is the output we are expecting? 3, 2, 2. Right click, run as Java application. Are we getting 3, 2, 2? No, we are getting an exception. Mukesh, are you observing this? We are getting an exception, that is array index out of bounds exception. The reason why you are getting array index out of bound exception is you are giving the condition that I should be less than 3. Instead of this, try to go with arr dot length minus 1. Now let us check. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, of course you can directly give 2, no problem. I mean arr dot length minus 1 is 2 only, but instead of giving a number like that, it is always suggestible to use that length final variable. Okay, guys, come on, please have this program. Please have this program. Go ahead. Please go ahead. First, iterating, we are checking like every element. After that, we are giving a condition. If ARRI, what is the element present at 0th index position? element present at 0th index position is 3. Okay, is it equal to 2? No. So this will not be checked. This will be completely skipped. Directly will be going to I plus plus. I plus plus means it will be incremented to 1. I value will be incremented to 1. ARR of 1 equal to 2. Is this condition true? Yes, that is true. And we are using logical AND. And here ARR of I plus 1. Already I value is 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. What is the element present at second index position? 2. But here we are giving the condition as 3. So this is true. This is false. We are using logical AND. What is our final output? False. I mean, one condition is true and other condition is false, guys. Our final output is false. So this will not be getting executed like that. Guys, kindly please do remember, logical programs, it is not mandatory that we are supposed to use the same logic. You can write your own logic. We can write if else, we can write nested if else, your wish. Your wish. Okay. I do see my question is my concept is very simple. My requirement is very simple. I'll be giving a method. Whatever the logic you can write, you want to write, you can write. Whatever the logic you want to write, you can write. But finally, you need to return an array according to my requirements. That's it. Are you getting me, guys? Yes. Alpesh, main method array. What is the type here? Come on, Alpesh. Don't forget the basics. Okay. All right. Now, guys, is it completed? Shall I move to the next question? Not completed. Please write. Please write. Please inform me if it is completed, guys. Okay. Inform if it is completed. If you're not informing me, I don't know. One more minute. One more minute. Just one more minute. Right. I hope it's complete for everyone. Next question, guys. Next question. Now, next question. Guys, kindly please don't worry if you're like, don't getting the logic immediately. Okay. It will take some time. That's it. Just give some time. Come on. Go ahead. First, understand the question. Just understand the question. And after that, observe the method return type. What you need to return. What is the return type? Boolean. What is your requirement? Observe it correctly. And please check the length of the array. How many elements you need to pass into that array. In the question, they will be clearly mentioning that how many elements you need to pass. Just those are enough. Don't try to take more. Don't make the question complicated, guys. Okay. Completed? Anyone completed? Now, please understand the question correctly. Again, I am saying you understand the question correctly. Please observe this method parameter is an integer array. I already showed you how to call a method which is having an integer array as a parameter. That is the very first program which we have did today. Do you remember that? Go ahead. This is the method. Okay, method 2. Just let me try to write return return. Okay, not required, not required. Point number 1. If I want to call this method, I should be calling that method. Let me try to give input input array as something like only 2 elements are there, right? 8 comma 2 like this. Only 2 elements. Only 2 elements. Now I'm trying to pass input array here. Now here result and this belongs to boolean. Boolean. This value is boolean. This is method 2. Okay, let me make it like method 2 like this. So this for loop is not required. Okay. Now tell me one thing. What are the elements which are present in this array? What are the elements which are present in that array? 8 comma 2. 8 and 2. Now what is the question? Question is very, very simple. There are 2 elements in an array. I mean, the length is 2 means only 2 elements. Okay, fine. Return true. You need to return true if array does not contain 2 or 3. For example, right now, if I'm trying to print SYSO result, if I'm trying to print result, what is my expected output here? True or false? Exactly. My expected output is false. Why? Because 2 is already there. So now tell me what is the logic I need to write. What is the logic I need to write? Okay, I got this logic from Chanakya. Okay, guys, Chanakya is giving logic like this. Please tell me, can I write like this or not? I mean, A in the sense ARR, 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 ARR. Okay, semicolon. Or else can I write only like this? Oh, sorry, my mistake. How about now? Can I write like this, guys? Observe. I mean, what is the condition here? If ARR of 0 is not equal to 2, okay. What is the element present at 0th index position? 8. Yeah, this condition is true. Very good. Or ARR of 0 is not equal to 3. Yes, this is not equal to 2 or 3. Yes, both the conditions are true. Both the conditions are true. Now, ARR of 1 is not equal to 2. No, it is equal to 2. Then right click, run as Java application. Are you observing here, guys? We are supposed to change the condition. We are expecting false, but we are getting true. Can you please tell me where I need to change? Where I need to change? Where I need to change? I want you to please tell me the logic in this particular thing. Please tell me what I need to do. Go ahead. Go ahead. Please give me the logic. Go ahead. Okay, guys. For example, I'll do one thing. Instead of or, can I use end like this? How about now? How about now? Right click, run as Java application. And guys, everything should be true, right? Is it clear? That's it. Done. For example, if I'm trying to give 3, let me check. Right click, run as Java application, obviously false. If I'm trying to give 2 here and something like other data here, right now also I'm expecting false. If I'm trying to give 3 here, right now also I'm expecting false. False. For example, if I'm giving other than 2 or 3, now I'm expecting true. As simple as this. Guys, kindly please use for loop only if it is absolutely required. Not every time using for loop is not required. I hope you're understanding me, guys. Are you getting me? Guys, there are only 2 statements here. I mean, there are only 2 elements. There are only 2 elements here. Why you want to use for loop? Only 2 elements. Directly we can use if else conditions. That's it. Else is also not there. Am I right? Yes. Please. Please have this code. Please have this code for me. Sir, I want to use for loop. Yeah, you can use for loop. I'm not saying no. But why? You are having only 2 elements, right? I hope you're understanding my requirements, guys. Please have this program and inform me if it is completed. Inform me if it is completed. Inform me, guys. Please inform if it is completed. Please inform if it is completed. Right. Is it done, guys? Completed? Ready for next task? No? Okay, okay. One more minute, one more minute. It's okay. It's okay. One more minute. Right. Is it done, guys? Okay. Ready for next task? Ready for next task? Right. Now, here comes your next question. Go ahead. Go ahead. Understand the question correctly. Understand the question correctly. Without understanding the question, you will not be able to write the logic. Understand the question correctly, please. In this particular question, you need to check the length also. See, if you are having three elements, you need to give the sum of first two elements. 2 or more than 2. If you are having 2 or more than 2, the length, you just need to return the sum of the first two elements. If there are less than, means if there is only one element, just return the same element. That's it. If the length is 0, return 0. Yes, that is perfect, Gaurav. It's perfect. Kamalesh, please give me the complete code. Please give me the complete code. And again, guys, don't change the method. Don't change the method signature, please. Okay, this is the method. Method 3. Okay, for example, let us think that I am passing 45 and 55 like this. Okay, this is method 3. Method 3, and here I am going with int. Now, what is my expected output here? Tell me. Just tell me what is my expected output here. Tell me. 39. My expected output is 39. Exactly. Okay, good. You understand the code. I mean, you understand the question. In logical programming, you need to understand the question first. Chanakya, instead of using multiple if statements, try to use if else. That would be great. Yeah, Nikhil, I got your output. Pooja, I got your program. And who else gave me the program? Yeah, Suma, I got your program. Kamalesh, not exactly correct, but okay. Not exactly correct. Alpesh, okay. Mukesh, yeah, that is good. That is good. Mukesh, what happens if the length is 1? If the length is 1, Mukesh, if the length is 1, do you think that we'll be getting an output or else we'll be getting an exception? Please check that correctly. Please check that correctly. Okay, Krishna got your output. All right, guys. All right, all right. Anyways. Now this is the first output which I got from Gaurav. Let me show you that logic which he have written like this. Like this. Okay, just let us try to do some modifications here. Okay, condition. Gaurav, you need to use laptop, buddy. You need to use laptop, please. Okay, else if okay, like this. Now let us check. Okay, so what is the condition here? First, he's checking if array length is equal to 0. Is it equal to 0? No. So this will not be getting executed. Else, if array length is equal to 1, is it equal to 1? No, it is not equal to 1. So this also will not be getting executed. What is left behind? Else return error of 0. What is error of 0? 30 plus error of 1. What is error of 1? 9. 39, which will be returned here. For example, if you are having only two elements, now also the same 39. If you are having only one element, now exactly the length is 1. The length is 1, Mukesh. Exactly. Right click, run as Java application, 30. Exactly, 30. For example, if I'm not giving anything, if I'm not giving any values. So right now, what is my length? 0. And now I'm going to get my output as 0. Okay? As simple as this. Can you please have this program for me? Please. Please. Inform if completed. One more minute. One more minute. One more minute. Yeah, Pranita, you can write, Amma. You can write. Please write. Please write. Okay, Mahesh, see, the thing is like, guys, you may wonder how to get this logic. Not everyone will be able to write the logic at the very first time. I know that. I'm not saying no. I can understand that. For example, if I ask you a question, try to give me the sum of index position 1 and index position 2. Can you give me? Same question, but not the first two elements. I want leave the first element, give me the sum of next two elements. Can you give me? Tell me, Mahesh. If I ask you a question, you cannot give. Okay, just let me try to have. Okay. Mahesh, please unmute. Okay. Can you hear me, Mahesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, did you understand my question, Mahesh?
No, sir.
Exactly. Did you understand this question?
Yeah.
Okay. In this question, you are returning the sum of first two elements of an array. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
How you are returning?
Using the if-else statement.
Yes, return ARR of 0 means the first element. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, Mahesh 10, 20, 30. Okay. Right now, ARR of 0 and ARR of 1. Tell me what is my output right now?
20 plus 10.
Exactly.
30.
My output is 30. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Now my question is, I want you to return, leave the first element. Leave first element. Give me the sum of next two elements. Tell me what you need to write in the code.
AR of 1 plus AR of 2.
Exactly. How do you know that? How do you know that?
Array length.
No. Not like array length. You know this concept because just now you have worked on these index positions. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So the thing is, when you are speaking about logical programming, Mahesh, guys, this is not only for Mahesh. Okay. Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, this is not only for Mahesh. This is for everyone. When you are speaking about logical programming, starting, you may think that it is a little bit hard. Okay. But if you got a similar kind of program, you'll be able to do that. That is exactly the intention of this class. Am I clear with that, guys? Okay. Okay. Now, all right, guys, do me a favor. Can you please give me the logic for this program? Give me the logic for this program. No need to check the length, by the way. No need to check the length. The length is, they are saying that the length is, length will be one or more, at least one or more. So no need to check the length. No need to check the length. Now, please give me the code for this. Yeah, that is correct. That is 100% correct. Guys, Nikhil, I'm not asking, I'm not saying don't use length. I'm saying that no need to check the length. You can use length. Don't get confused. Yeah, that is good. Come on, go ahead, go ahead. Right. Okay. All right, guys. This is the code. Just let me try to give the code like this. Okay. Now this is the method, first six and last six method. And this is Boolean method, right? So let me try to go with Boolean Boolean result. Okay. Now, what is the question here? The question is given an array of integer. Okay. I'm trying to pass this array of integers. Okay. If 6 appears as either the first or last element of my array, I need to check whether the first element or last element of my array is equal to 6 or not. Tell me. If I want to get the first element, I want to get the first element. Tell me what I need to write. First element, nums of 0. First element here, nums of 0 equal to 6. Equal to 6. Now, please check the question once again. 6 appears as either the first or last element in the array. Okay, let me try to take or last element. Nums of, can you please tell me how to retrieve the last element of my array? Nums dot length minus 1. Yes, guys, we have seen this. Yesterday only I told you. Did you remember that? Yes or no? Equal to 6. Okay, if this is the condition, RETU are in return. Return, what is the question? True. You need to return true. Okay. Return TRU true. Else RETU are in return false. That's it. Right click, run as Java application, false. Why? Because 6 is not present there. If I'm trying to give 6 here, now tell me, I'll be getting as false. Why? Because 6 should be present either the first or last element. Okay, let me try to give last element as 6. Now right click, run as Java application, True. Now here also, if I'm trying to go with 6 as the first element, right now also, sorry, right click, run as Java application, I'll be getting my output as true. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Is it clear? Please have this code. Please have this code. Guys, I'll do one thing. I'll try to give some programs as a tasks in the Google Classroom. What do you say? Shall I? Okay. Please try to work on them, guys. Right? Please try to work on them. All right, guys. I hope it's complete for everyone. Is it done? Is it done? So, guys, I have given some more tasks in the Google Classroom. Kindly please go through them. Kindly please try to do the tasks, guys. Right? So tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start with one more concept, that is string handling techniques. So guys, tomorrow is Wednesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I'll be taking 4 days. I'll be taking 4 days to complete strings. This entire week, I'll be trying to discuss about strings. Guys, literally strings are very, 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 very important. So I strongly advise you, kindly please don't miss these 4 days. I hope you have enjoyed our today's session, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Sneha, is it done? Upendra, you will be getting a lot of these things from our Naresh IT platform is there now. You will be getting them. Please check with that. Or else you can search in internet. A lot of things will be there. No issues. Okay. Right.